My name is Steve Gallion. Name of my shop is Trinity's Quality Auto Care, and we're located in Salem, Oregon. Been a Drive client for about 5 years now. We're just a little two-bay shop in Salem, Oregon. But with that, being with Drive, we're a little two-bay shop that does $1 million a year. They've done a lot for me. They've taught me how to maximize the efficiency of my little two-bay shop. I was one of the first companies to come to drive through SBA. One of the things, one of the exercises that SBA did for me was inadvertently, they allowed me to see what my shop looked like through the eyes of the customer. And unfortunately, I wasn't too pleased. If you're one of those shop owners out there trying to figure out there's got to be something better, this is it. SBA will help allow you to see what that next step is or what you need to do. And whether or not, whether you're thinking whether or not I should invest in this, it's always up to you. It's only money.